create all of these videos just for Earth. Cool? Once you do, it should be a bit better. But then there's another issue while for anything to happen to you. There's a surge when you put in smaller inputs. Hybrid, like 60 kilometers per hour. I'm set at 80. So if I were to get up 80 kilometers per hour, that is doing so right now. Yep. And then there's even a radar that tells you just exactly how far it is you are from the car in front of you. So right now the car that's speeding away is running on the skyway, and the speed is not necessarily always constant. Some people are going at 80, some people are going at 75, and the variant would be key because the base territory titanium is already good enough.
Fast as I can. I can't do it without you. Why are you driving? I don't even have a license yet. Oh, great. I'm not even supposed to be here. I'm not part of the deal.
In terms of what the upgrades are, and if you're thinking that it's more of an appearance package, well, shockingly good value BYD Sea Lion 6.
That's mankind we include. Keep the environment at its best.
Done. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Sige. You and I, yes, we lived at the goodbye.
In the school, we all the pain.
Ano po yun? Mami, what? Okay. Kuha tayong banana. Anong sabihin mo?
You and I, yes, we lived at goodbye. Haven't too long learned to
Dance ka pala. Wow, ang galing, no? Yummy. Po yun? Ano na naman gusto mo? Grapes pala. Ito. Bigyan natin yung bata. Ito? This? Okay. Oh no, nabuhos. Thank you. Okay, stand up.
Bebe! Ano ba ang sabi?
Grabe ka.
Ano ba ang po?
Pangalan mo, Victorio.
Anong Victorio? No. Parang ginawa ko.
Sa YouTube lang. Yan yung bago mong hairstyle. May hati sa gitna.
Hindi maalis.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Thank you.
Wow, nagkukook
So, ganun
din
din siya.
siya.
Pag nakuntog siya, o nasaktan siya,
Yummy ang cook mo. Anong niluluto mo?
ako pa yung gagawin, ha?
Open na,
Gagawin siya
open.
after.
What is that? What's inside?
Kasi hindi nagsisigaw siya. Ay,
Wow! Ah,
Mami. Bigla na lang siya.
mainit.
Ibig sabihin, extreme pain na yon. Sa tiyan, before.
Nagluluto siya, nagbo-boil siya ng egg.
Here, where's the pain?
Ah!
So, i-ano
Hinahalo yung boiled egg?
Kasi kung hindi namin maalam kung
Finish
saan
na.
mawala
Wash
yung
mo na yung egg wash.
Okay. Kaya hindi po nalaman na, ay, sa tiyan na to. Tinuruan ko siya ng ouch. Tapos tutulong niya.
Yehey!
Wash mo na, wash.
Three quarter. Ito na. Finish. Finish the water ako doon. Ako rin ako nga eh.
Wash egg.
Kaya na tayo.
Eat.
Cellphone or mic?
Ah, eat. Eat mo na, eat.
Walk slowly. Quentin, walk slowly. Quentin.
Yehey!
Thank you.
Ikaw.
So, pang flash.
This one?
Nagpa-practice ka na?
Ha?
Wow!
Kutsara?
Like
Saan
this.
kutsara mo?
Ayun yan ako. Ito po, tingnan mo po. May mic. Ano na yan, no?
Nahulog yung pagkain mo.
Hello.
The egg! Where's the egg? Hindi ako makuha yung egg. Ah, eat na siya. Nagluto pa ang pinin niyan. Ano? Yun lang pala gusto mo.
What do you want? What do you want?
Yummy?
Ito po. Okay, sige po. Okay? Okay na. Okay. Okay.
Yummy?
You like mommy to be sad? No naman. Okay. Enjoy na po, ha?
Ang hirap hulihin ang ulam mo.
Don't be sad now. Okay.
Ayaw ka na pakainin.
Parents na nanonood, what advice can you give?
Open mo yung egg.
Kalma.
Ah?
Kung kapag masyado
But,
na-stress,
open
you
egg.
think about it too much. Oh.
Open mo yung egg.
If you embrace the situation, you
Paano
will be
open
very
egg?
creative on how you will deal with it. Ever since po, ganyan na po kayo, as time went by. Actually, habang lumalaki sila, palala sila ng palala. Yun ang napapansin ko. Kasi mas marami silang nila-express, mas marami silang nila-realize, mas explore. Cookie Monster, is that you?
Finish sana.
Quentin,
Okay, eat ka na, eat.
Finish.
Finish.
Head, shoulder, knees, and toes.
Knees and toes. Shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Ah.
Head, shoulder. Then, sabihin, madilim na.